What's up, guys? It's your boy Gilmar, and today we're going to be going over our small account challenge from 400 to 25,000. This is the journey, week number 2. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and look at our trading and our trading count. So right now we are at Robinhood. I'm at 217.99. Last week it was at 192.07. For the week, I'm up 25.92. My Webull account, I was at 68.87 last week. Now I'm at 70.86. TD Ameritrade, still the same, 74.93. In total, to this week, week number 2, I made 27.91. Not too shabby, right? Not too shabby. Like I said before, 25K is a big brick wall, and we're gonna stack it brick by brick, small gain by small gain, until we make this journey happen. All right, so let's go over the trading. First trade of the week, Delta Airlines, ticker symbol DAL. I bought a $35 call, expiration May 12th for $93. I purchased it on 4/17. So let's go over to 4/17 right here. Right there. We on the 17th. As you can see, look at this big candlestick right above the 13 EMA and the 48 EMA. RSI above 50. MACD cross above, gaining strength. Shaft trend, change of direction. So I bought it when the price action was at 34.43. So this candlestick right here, I saw this upward momentum, so I bought it at 34.43. There is a resistance level at $35. So as you can see, if you go back right here to March 31st, price action hit there, went down, came back, hit once again on the 12th, came back down for a second, well, not second, a third chance at momentum. So I sold it the very next day on the 18th for $107. I bought it for $93, sold it for $107 for a $14 gain. Price action was at $34.90, 10 cents below my price target, 35. But like I said, fuck it. When I see gains and it's almost near to my price target, we gonna take that money, baby. I don't care. I'm taking those gains. We ain't losing no more. We're just gonna take the profits. Stop waiting for it to be perfect. Don't let the trade be perfect. Just be satisfied with it. Take the gains, move on. Without further ado, let's go to the second play. Sorry, I got a little bit stuck there. Second play of the day, FTI stock. Well, not of the day, of the week. FTI stock, right over here. So I was trading FTI on the daily chart. As you can see, right there, FTI. I bought a $13 put on 4/18. I bought it on the 18th. Expiration day, May 19th. Whole month that I put myself on the play. I put myself, whole month contract. So I have less theta decay eating out my contract, because theta makes your contract, more worthless. It eats it up over time. So I bought it for $60 while the price was at $13.34. Let's go overhead and go to the 5-minute chart right over here. So I bought it right over here. As you can see, the price action broke below the 13 and the 48. I bought it at $13.34 right there, and my price target was at $13. $13. So as you can see right here, right there, price action hit 13 bucks a few times. You go right over here, price action hit 13 bucks right here, bam 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 bam. So it's a level of support. That was my price target. Let's go back to the 5-minute. As you know, it dramatically went down to 13.20. I decided I wanted to take gains right there. But then I realized that FTI stock, it has low liquidity. So when I bought it at 13.34, I bought it for 60 bucks. As soon as I bought it, it went down to 58 because that's the price of business when you get a contract. So when it went down to 13.20, which was the price target that I put for myself, it broke even. And I'm like, shit, okay. So that means I gotta go a little bit lower so I can make more money. And price target came back up, it hit the 13, it tested it. I'm like, oh my God, that's when I'm getting scared because my risk is above the 13. So when I saw that, and I saw it was low liquidity, I'm like, I have to get out. So when it came back down to 13.20, I sold right there, broke even. You know, it came back down a little bit again, but it wasn't worth it in my eyes. I decided to move on to the next play. Broke even, didn't lose no money, so we good. So let's go on to the next play. Verizon stock. Verizon stock is the next play. Right over here. Verizon stock. So this one was a little bit more technical. I used the Fibonacci retracement. Right here, from the swing low to the swing high, I formed the Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement, you can see the levels where the stock usually stops or starts or consolidates. I won't go over, what a Fibonacci retracement is, but you can see levels. So this play was a little bit more technical. I saw a level here at 38.70 that it caught my eye. I was playing it on the 4-hour time frame. So I bought a variety of the Verizon put at 2:05 p.m. I bought a $38 put, expiration 5/19. Gave myself a whole month. I bought it for $54. Price action was below the 13 and the 48 EMA right there. Right there. Candlestick below 13 and the 48. As you can see, RSI bearish below 50. Look at that. MACD, look at that. Direction coming down. Shaft trend. Change of direction. So, stacking the odds against my favor. That's what I do. I use these indicators to tell me when to make a play. I stack my odds, with me. So I know that I can make a play. So as I saw it right here, I know my price target is at 38.70. I sold the Verizon on the very next day on the 19th at 9:37 a.m. as soon as market opens. So right here, this candlestick right here, I sold it when the price action was 38.77, right around there. A 7 cents margin with that level, 38.70. These Fibonacci levels, or any type of level, resistance or support, it's a range. It's not an exact science. It's not to the cent. So it was close enough for me to be like, fuck it, we taking my gains, and that's how we doing it. So I sold it for $61. I bought it for $54, sold it for $61 for a $7 profit. Not too shabby. Baby gains, baby, baby gains. So we're gonna go ahead and go on to the next play. Pfizer, the stock that fucking yeeted me last week. Came back from some revenge. Don't revenge trade though. This was a different type of revenge, a more calculated revenge. So I was trading this on the daily chart. I bought it, a Pfizer, on the 19th. I bought it at 10:18 a.m. when the price action was at 40.47. So right above here, as soon as market opened, 40.47. I bought a $40 strike price. I bought it for 93 bucks. Target was 39.90. The reason my target was 39.90, as you can see right here, the price action was hovering. Look on these days right here. Price action was touching 39.90. That's a few days of a consolidation, so that was my price target. I sold it for a win on 4/20 Smokers Day. No, I wasn't getting high because I don't smoke. I sold it on 4/20 at 9:36 a.m. as soon as market opened. So I sold it the very next day right there. Because overnight the price vomited. It fucking vomited. I bought it at 4.47 when the price was at 4.47. And I saw and the price was at 4.14 when I sold it. I sold it for $106. $13 profit, baby. I bought it for 93, sold for 106, 13 bucks. Like I said, I'm gonna take those gains, baby. Fuck it, I'm gonna take the gains. If I see at the price vomited overnight and I'm comfortable with the amount of gains, just, you know, 13 bucks in a small account like this, that's fucking good, dude. I'm gonna take that shit. I'm not gonna fucking lose. I'm not gonna lose. We're gonna take the capital and go to the next play. But if I would have waited a little bit more, you can see it went up to 38.80, way below the 39.90, 10 cents below the price target that I said. But I'm not a fucking mind reader. I can't look through fucking time. How am I supposed to know it's gonna go that low? You don't know. Trading is gambling. You just take guesses, calculated guesses, until you get it right. So, could have made more, coulda, woulda, shoulda, fuck it. We gonna take those gains and we're gonna move. Next play. Pfizer stock. Once again. This time I was playing the 5-minute chart for Pfizer. 5-minute chart. So, bought Pfizer, $40.50 put. Expiration date 4/28. 2 weeks expiration date. Bought it for $44 at 11:15 a.m. Right there. Bam. Right there. As you can see, look at that. Price breaks below 13 EMA, opens below 13 EMA. RSI coming down. MACD, you know, very low momentum. Shaft trend, change of direction. So I stacked the odds with me. I have the odds in my favor. My price target was at 40.34, like right around here. This is opening day low. So as soon as and then it came back up, price consolidated, and you can see price breaks below 13 EMA, and I'm like, sweet, price target right there, 40.34. That's where I'm gonna take profit. In, out, pull out, pull in. This is the other way. Wait, pull in, pull out. There you go. Pull in, pull out. That's what I wanted to do. But I got yeeted. Look at that. Bought right here. Bum. Came right there. At this point, I remember clearly I was up $2. I'm like, oh, not too bad. The play's developing. Then yeet, big ass candlestick. Bam, right there. Open below the 13 EMA. So I sold it for a $1 loss. $1 loss. It is what it is. $1 loss. As you can see, opened above the 13 EMA. Decided to take my profit. Fuck it. That's what it is. So next play, Pfizer, same day, a 40.50 call, expiration 4/28, 2 weeks out. Bought it for $50 at 11:59 a.m. So right here, 11:59 a.m. As you can see, like I was telling you before, when the price action goes above the 13 EMA, usually that's a sign of reversal, bullish momentum. When the price action is above any EMA or moving average, bullish momentum. So candle, bum. So as soon as I saw this candle, I'm like, okay, look, it's going up, dude. I've had enough candlesticks, enough price action above the EMA lines that I'm like, dude, this is bullish momentum. We fucking soaring. We're gonna cruise through this. So I bought it here. It went up to 40.56 right there. I'm like, okay, cool. My hypothesis was correct. It's coming up. Next thing you know, yeet, big candlestick down. How the fuck am I supposed to know that? You don't know. You don't know. That's what the market is. It's gambling. It's smart gambling. So you don't fucking know. So right there, 13 EMA price action open below 13 EMA. Sold for a loss, baby. Sold for a loss. I sold it for $45. Bought it at $50. Sold at $45. $5 loss. Plus the trade before, right over here in the morning, $6 loss. It is what it is, baby. It is what it is. Whatever. So at this point, I'm out of my 3 Robinhood trades because every broker account gives 3 trades. So I moved on to my Webull account. I don't have that much money on my Webull. I had $68, so I can't really trade options. I don't have that much money, so I decided to trade shares. So SQQQ on 420. Let's go to 420, 420, 420. So let's go down over here. Bum, 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 bum. Right there. SQQQ. I bought 2 shares of SQQQ at $30.19 a piece. $30.19 at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Right here. Bomb. Like I said before, look at that. Candle above the 13 EMA usually means upward momentum. RSI, upward momentum. It's above 50. Look at that. MACD crossed above the orange line. Bullish momentum. Shaft trend, change of direction, going up. Bullish momentum. Well, technically it's not bullish momentum, it's bearish momentum because SQQQ is the inverse of QQQ. It's the triple leverage inverse of QQQ. So when QQQ goes down, SQQ goes up. So you have things to trade, you know, when things go up and things go down. So I bought it, you know, at 2 p.m., sold it at 2:09 p.m. at 30.27. I saw a level right here at 30.25, right there. Price action, bomb, bomb. Hit twice, bomb, bomb, right there. Couldn't break below, it created a level. So I put my take profit right above 30.25, 30.27. Beam, beam, beam. Hit it. 15 cents gain. We taking it, baby. We taking that 15 cents gain. Fuck it. I'm gonna take it. But as you can see, I'm not a fucking time reader, dude. You never know what's gonna happen. Look at that. Look at the price action go just soaring high. Look at that. It just vomited, exploded. How the fuck am I supposed to know that's gonna happen? You don't know. Trading is just guessing, calculated guessing. But you know, when I get more money in my account, you know, I'm gonna do a stop loss strategy. So basically, say I buy 10 shares of SQQQ, and you know I sell 7 of them right there at 30.27. Take 7 of them. The 7 shares I sold them. I still have 3 left. Put my stop loss a little bit below, and let the play just rip or develop. If it wants to, you know, bounce around and hit the stop loss and, you know, sell out by itself and I just lose a little bit, I lose a little bit or I break even. But in scenarios like this where it just keeps going up all the way, then I'll make extra money and it's a free play because majority of my shares, I sold them where I wanted to sell them and then just leave the rest to just let it ride. So let's go on to the next play. SQQQ once again on 4/21, the next day. Let's scroll this up. I believe right there. SQQQ, I bought it at 2:45 p.m. 2:45 p.m. right over here. At the end of the day. So I bought 2 shares at 30.75. So 30.75 right here, right around there. As you can see, few candlesticks above the 13 EMA. Like I said, bullish momentum. Let's go down to the RSI right there, above 50. Bullish momentum, MACD cross. Bullish momentum, that means the direction is coming up. Momentum is coming up, sorry. Shaft trend, green, direction, coming up. Stacking the odds with me. You see? I have all these indicators that tell me when to trade and when not to trade. All the indicators are telling me, take that trade, my boy. Take that trade, and that's what I'm gonna do. So, bought 2 shares at 30.75, sold them at 3:02 p.m. at 30.80. You know, 5 cents margin, 10 cents profit. Trading God. That's who I am. Trading God. 5 cents profit, 10 cents win between the 2 shares. I'm him. Motherfuckers ain't got shit on me, bro. So, I bought at 30.75. Right here. My price target was right here at the 48 EMA. So right up, like just above it, because you know usually when the momentum's coming up, they'll try to break above the 48 EMA. So I put my stop right there at 30.80, 5 cents profit. Take it, baby gains. Like I said, brick by brick, baby, brick by brick. We're gonna stack that brick wall high. And like I said before, I'm not a fucking time reader, dude. Look at that. Boop, 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 boop. Came up. And then it touched the 48 EMA. So like I said, the analogy, if I bought 10 shares, sold 7 out here, leave the 3, it could have rolled up, came down, bum, 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 you know, could have sold right there or something for break even or something like that. But or it could have kept going higher. You never know. But for now, I'm just gonna take all my profit. But yeah, that concludes week 2, my guys and gals, whoever's watching. So the total I made this week was $27.91. Not too shabby, right? Not too shabby. I'm probably gonna add money, maybe like $50, $60 or something like that. I'll tell you guys when I add money, so it doesn't look like I'm fabricating or something like that. But to grow a small account, you need to make money. Having money makes money, and scared money don't make no money. Remember that. Scared money don't make no money. So that's what trading is about. You can't be scared. You know, you do calculated risk. That's what we do. We stack our odds with us. So that concludes week 2. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe, hit that like button, hit that notification bell for week number 3. Just a FYI, week number 3, I don't know if it might happen because, you know, this is unrelated to trading. I'm training somebody next week in my job, so I'm gonna be with them. So I have to give my attention to them. So there might not be week 3 next week. I hope I can trade. If I can't, then I'll come back the next week. I'll let you guys know when the video comes out. But thank you so much for watching, and that is all. Keep on trading, my guys and gals. Peace.